Now we are discussing about adhesives. In that today we are discussing about vinyl flooring. What are the disadvantages of vinyl flooring? Can emit volatile organic compounds, shorts lifespan than wood floors, no impact or negative impact on home resale value, difficult to remove, especially if adhesives is used during installation, not eco-friendly, difficult to recycle. And next point is what type of flooring is vinyl? Perfect for families with energetic kinds of lovable pets. Vinyl flooring is a type of resilient flooring that combines strength and functionality with authentic design and style. There are three main types of vinyl flooring: LVT luxury vinyl tile, LVP luxury vinyl plank, and sheet vinyl. And next point is it good to use vinyl flooring? Vinyl flooring is known for being resilient. This means that most vinyl flooring is water resistant and very low maintenance with long lasting durability. If it has a wear layer, vinyl flooring will usually not stain and can survive plenty of wear and tear, which makes it a good option for any highly trafficked area. And next point is what is better, vinyl or laminate flooring? To summarize, vinyl is a better choice when you need water resistance, lifespan and durability in your flooring. Meanwhile, laminate is preferable if you want a more stylish appearance, lower costs and a comfortable feel underfoot. And next point is, are vinyl floors waterproof? Everything you need to know about vinyl flooring. Yes, all vinyl flooring products are waterproof because they are composed primarily of PVC. And next point is vinyl flooring permanent? It will likely wear well for many years. Vinyl plank flooring comes in different thickness. Many of thicker vinyl flooring versions may offer warranties on the product for as much as 25 years, while a thinner vinyl choice can last between 5 and 10 years depending on use. And next point is vinyl flooring slippery? Vinyl is not itself slippery, but like any flooring, it can become slippery under certain conditions. For instance, surface moisture, grease and polish could all present in a slipping hazard. And next point is vinyl good for bathrooms? Vinyl is a standout choice for bathroom flooring. There are several different vinyl products including luxury vinyl, vinyl tile LVT and vinyl roll as known as the sheet vinyl, and both of these are excellent bathroom flooring choices. They are durable, moisture resistant, easy to clean and maintain and warm underfoot. And next point is can you mop vinyl flooring? When it comes to cleaning vinyl flooring, you can't go wrong with plain water and a spongy mop. Always wipe up spills as soon as possible and mop frequently with plain water. And next point is, does vinyl flooring crack? How to fix common vinyl flooring problems? Vinyl flooring is a durable, sensible option for any home. However, over time, the material can peel and crack. And next point is, does vinyl flooring break easily? This durable flooring will easily last up to 20 years or more if cared for properly. It also can withstand heavy foot traffic and won't clip, crack or shatter. And next point is vinyl sheet waterproof? With that being said, vinyl flooring is made mostly from plastic, making it water resistant. It can handle spills, wet footprints and moisture easily. This feature makes vinyl a great option for basements, kitchens, laundry rooms, bathrooms and anywhere else they may come into contact with water or moisture. And next point is vinyl rubber or plastic? Vinyl is the world's most versatile plastic, used to make everything from food wrap to auto body parts. Vinyl is composed of two simple building blocks, chlorine based on common salt and ethylene from crude oil. And how long, next point is how long does vinyl sheet last? Vinyl sheet flooring is highly durable material that is properly installed and maintained can last upwards of 10 to 20 years. This advantage makes it great for any room in the house, especially the high traffic areas that are constantly assaulted by sneakers, spills, pets and sloppy spills. And next point is what is the thickness of vinyl flooring? The most common thickness of LVP used in common households is 12 mil. But if your household is fairly active or has a number of pets, a higher thickness is recommended, such as 20 mil. Most thicker planks, such as 28 mil, are used for commercial rather than household installations. This is the information regarding vinyl flooring. Vinyl flooring is most important and it is a good concept also. Nowadays, vinyl also so much heavily using for cutouts and political stars and cinema stars also. Cutouts will also coming in vinyl flooring, vinyl products only. So not only that, so many purposes are there with vinyl products. So it will be useful to us and this information will give a fundamental knowledge about vinyl. And one thing I will say that if you want to do deeply regarding vinyl making means, it will become another subject. You can search in Google also about that product process or processing, manufacturing, everything you can get it. So many YouTube videos also available, but my video will give you a fundamental idea about vinyl flooring. Wishing you all the best.